The pollution levels are still high across some parts of the UK, notably across eastern and northwestern England, the Midlands, northwest Wales and also southwest Scotland. Now it is an improving situation. After today we expect it to get better. The quality of air will improve because the wind is changing direction from the southeasterly we've had for several days to more of a southwesterly. So if we start off by looking at the forecast at 9 o'clock across the south of England, we're looking at some clear skies. As you can see here, there is a little bit of a haze around this morning, understandably, but it's a mild start. We're looking at about 11 or 12 degrees at the moment. But as we travel that bit further north into the Midlands, northern England, we run into more cloud, particularly so across northeastern England once again. And there's hill fog, especially to the east of the Pennines. Now pushing into Scotland is a similar story to what we've had the last few days. There's a lot of cloud around, particularly in the east. We've got Har coming in as well, whereas in the west we're looking at rain, and that rain extends across the North Channel in across parts of Northern Ireland too. It also moves across western parts of Wales and heads down into parts of the southwest of England. So for Cornwall it's a drier start, and ahead of that band of rain through parts of Somerset in through Gloucestershire and heading in across southern counties of England, well, it's a dry start as well, and for some of us a bright start and a mild one. So if we pick up the forecast for the rest of the day, we've got that rain in the west, and if anything it's going to move a little bit further northwards. It won't move terribly far eastwards, but ahead of it there will be quite a bit of cloud at times, thick enough for the odd shower. Where we hang on to the cloud across eastern England and also the northeast of Scotland and also the rest of eastern Scotland for that matter, it will peg back the temperatures. We're looking at about 7 or 8 degrees, whereas in any sunshine in the southeast, for example, temperatures could shoot up to about 19 or 20 degrees, possibly even 21. Then as we head on through the evening and overnight period, our rain band continues to advance northwards, getting into northern England and also Scotland. Behind it there will be quite a bit of cloud once again, with some patchy mist and fog forming, but it's not going to be a particularly cold night. We're looking at temperatures between about 6 and 10 degrees. So we start on that note tomorrow with the rain across Scotland and northern England, but the rain will move out of northern England, leaving a drier and a brighter day eventually as it continues to move northwards across Scotland. For the rest of the UK, it will start off in a fairly cloudy note, but the cloud will break. We'll see some bright skies, or we'll see some sunny spells developing. But across the southwest, we're prone to some showers. But the salient point about tomorrow's weather is the wind direction changes to a southwesterly. That's coming from a cleaner source, namely from the Atlantic. And that continues through the course of the weekend, so our pollution levels should drop. Charlie and Lou.